it's Shannon from Milford Medical and Aesthetics. I'm a nurse practitioner. I'm in the dermatology section, and I want to talk to you today about dry, itchy skin. We turn the heat on, so between the heat and the warm sweaters and the long hot showers, that seems to be one of our biggest complaints that come around this year. So I wanted to show you and talk about some of our favorite products for things like that and just give you some recommendations. One of my first things is turn down the shower a little bit. Dry, itchy skin comes when your skin gets dehydrated. Standing in a long, hot shower, if your skin is pink or warm when you get out of the shower, it's just too hot. When you get out of the shower, try not to rub real vigorously with a towel, just pat dry and put your favorite moisturizer on. Creams are better than lotions in the wintertime. Lotions are water-based, creams are fat-based, and you're gonna get more bang for your buck and you won't have to reapply as much. Some of our favorites, CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. You can get it with the pump or without. If you get it with it, you just tap your 3 fingers in the top and it'll do a whole extremity. Another favorite of ours is Eucerin Advanced Repair. This is the lotion, but they're specially formulated to just stay on your skin longer. If you use too much of it, you'll feel sticky and you won't want to wear it. So just give yourself a little while before you put your clothes on. For very super dry, itchy hands, we've got a lot going on with the moisturizer or with the hand sanitizers and the overwashing of the hands and the gloves now. At night before you go to bed, wash with a very gentle soap. Put a nice thick coat of Aquaphor on or the Eucerin Advanced Repair and leave it on overnight and it'll get that dry, itchy, peely feeling. If you need something more, if things are not able to be treated with just these over-the-counter products, there are prescriptions that can help you with eczema, dry, itchy skin, and sometimes it may not be dry, itchy skin. It may be something more like psoriasis or atopic dermatitis. Come on down and we can help you figure it out. If you want to call us for an appointment, it's 203-301-5860. Thanks.